Have you seen a Birdcage fascinator before, or what is commonly referred to as veil knit? Yes, I think you have. Do you think it takes so much time or so much money to make it? In this video, I will share with you the common tips that you can use to make this fascinator in less than 5 minutes. It is a very simple fascinator to make. All that you need is your veil knit, or what I earlier referred to as the Birdcage. You need a comb. If you want to make this simple style that I'm making now, you need your thread and your needle, you need your UHU gum, your scissors, and that's all. So all you need to do is get a yard of this veil knit, or less than a yard. Like what I'm using in this video is less than a yard. You attach your comb to both ends of the Birdcage, and that is it. If you are visiting my channel for the first time, do well to like, subscribe and comment. If you like what I'm doing here right now, like my channel. So you just attach your comb to the fascinator, to the veil. It's not yet a fascinator until you are done with it. So you attach your comb to the veil with your thread and your needle. For it not to be too big, like the width covering the entire face, you just need to clip it a little to reduce the width. That's what I'm doing right now. You attach it to your comb carefully, and that is it. So if you think it requires trimming to cover up the rough sewing edges, you get a trimming of your choice and attach to the comb as well. You can use your gum to attach the trimming to the comb, and that is just it. It doesn't take much time. In less than 5 minutes you can finish this simple bridal fascinator. Very simple. Like and comment if you like what I'm showing on this channel right now. So this is the outcome of the design. If you compare this design to the picture I presented at the beginning of this video, you will see that it is exactly the same or even finer than what I showed earlier. If you follow our simple steps, my simple steps on these tutorials, you'll be able to make something even more beautiful than this. So if you've learned anything from this video, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like, share and comment. Thank you.